and in this video we will be doing a wig review, but not just any wig review. Definitely stay tuned for the end to find out more details, okay? This wig is from HAIRVIVI. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what all is in here. I wish I wouldn't have got the box dirty. I just did my makeup and I forgot to remove it from sitting right here. This is the wig, guys, in this little net, and then it has the paper on the inside, a Tony and Guy little clip, and just this little note from HAIRVIVI. Thanks for working with HAIRVIVI and reviewing HAIRVIVI's beginner wigs. The hairline of the wig is pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, and an elastic band is pre-sewed, which requires no customization. No wig cap underneath. Okay, HAIRVIVI. With this wig, it says cut the lace, no extra work needed, glue is not necessary, multi-direction parting can be achieved. Description box and video details have been sent through email. Please kind of check it. Hope your followers love this wig. Okay, so we're gonna see. We're not gonna use a wig cap. They didn't send a wig cap, so they're letting us know, hopefully, that we don't need one. So the good thing about this video, guys, after I review this wig, I will be gifting this wig away to one of you guys, but we'll chat about that while I do the hair, so you don't have to just sit and listen to me talk the whole time. I'll squeeze that in while we review the hair. I always wear glueless ones so that I can just kind of take it off and do that. But they're saying that we can do this without a wig cap. So I've gone to the dermatologist, guys, but as far as how I'm editing my footage, that portion is going to come later. So if you all see this, stay tuned for my dermatologist visit footage. I didn't edit that one yet for y'all. We have the elastic band right here. There isn't any lace that we need to cut off in the back, so that's convenient. Take the adjustable straps and move them inward on both sides. I'm going to try it on and see what it fits like on this strap. I haven't taken my hair down and washed it just yet. It's because to talk about this, I feel like it's spoiling the video. I'm getting special products from my dermatologist, so I want to wait and do like a taking my hair down, like washing it with my dermatologist products and all of that. Yeah. Ooh wee, girl, oh my goodness, this look good. What wig cap? Look at that. What, are you serious? She like ready to go. Wretched Destiny says hi. She want to be in Vlogmas too. Like, let me find some scissors. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace using these. They're small enough. I need to do this perfectly because I'm gifting this to one of you guys, huh? So I don't want to mess up the hairline. I shouldn't be messing up the hairline if it's my own wig, huh? We need this to be laid. Y'all want to zoom in some? I'm not feeling this lip color. I could do without the tint or whatever I call myself doing. Hold on. This is my favorite so far for the winter for dry lip. This is from Pier 1. It's a lip butter and vanilla mint. My cousin gifted this to me on my birthday. And this is usually what I put on. You just dip it out. That's better. You can also cut your lace off before you put the wig on. I'm going to take a little bit of the ᶫᵒᵒ Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion to get rid of this hump here in the top, which probably just came from it being in the box. And I'm going to find where I'm able to part the hair back. Like, just get this part to like since we didn't have any claims as far as baby hairs go, because of the way my hairline is, I have to hide a few pieces because I don't want y'all to come for me. Yeah, just take out a few in the front, just trim them short. ᶫᵒᵒ foaming lotion just to swoop these in place without getting on my eyebrows. So the good thing about laying the edges with the foam and mousse like this, the way that I took that wig off in the beginning, I normally just put it back on the mannequin stand. Honestly, sometimes if I don't put it on the mannequin stand, I'll just place it somewhere neatly and then I'm able to pick it up, put it back on in the morning. Once you mold them like this, you're good to go. If anything, I'll just take water and swoop them again the next morning. As for the middle, since it's pre-plucked right here, I am just using my finger to hold the lace down, brushing these hairs backwards to keep this side from sliding back. Since I need the wig to cover my temple right here where it kind of comes out further in the front, I'm just going to lift that comb up and let it just kind of fall underneath my braids. The same thing on that side. There we go. Now that my flat irons are kind of warmed up, I'm going to go in here where we have a little hump and just kind of begin straightening that out some more. Since the hair is kind of just like slightly bent, I'm just going to do that same thing. One quick little pass through, because my plan was to actually wear a wig cap so that y'all wouldn't see it and wouldn't be like, wow, her scalp is getting worse and worse. I ain't have to. I figured I would just let you all know what the little scalp was without letting you know too much. So stay tuned for that video in Vlogmas. I like a little feather here just because. Take the front pieces, kind of turn my hair like that to make the hair do what I want it to do while it's still warm. That way it won't sit too tight on me. Like, it's that simple. If you want to go a step further, the plucking on this is really good, as well as the fact that the knots are already bleached. I'm going to just go into the parting space with a little bit of powder, and this just helps it to, I feel like you can see what it helps it to do. Whoa, I need to throw this out. Look at how raggedy it is. Let me not get this over y'all's box. I won't mess with it too much. We're not all the same skin tone out here, but y'all probably gonna wash this when y'all get it, huh? It says no glue and no like gluing it down and things like that. This gel that I'm using will not glue it down, but it will just help to hold the edge portion right here. But we're not using that to do any sort of manipulation to the lace, if that makes sense. I just want my edge to do a little bit more than what it's doing with just the foaming mousse. That's like my signature one little as long as I keep the hair down on the sides like this. I mean, if I was to try to tuck it behind my ear and everything and just expose my sides to someone, then they would see it. Otherwise, if you know your wig is glueless, you don't want to be pulling it all behind your ear. Sometimes I'll use just a little freeze spray to secure down the side tabs, or you can just use a little dot of the got to be glue, kind of tap it right here, press that down, and then once you tie the entire top portion down like I'm about to show you all, that helps just to hold down the side tabs. If not that, and you want to make sure the side tabs are down but not stuck when you get ready to take this off at night, another thing you can do to mold your wig to the shape of your head would be to take some more of the foaming mousse and put this along the side tabs. I'm really trying to go into detail, especially for the person that is going to win this wig. I feel like you'll be able to play this back and be able to apply it for yourself. Does that make sense? And my temples kind of come out far, so I would just have to kind of pull this portion forward. If I was gluing it down, I would be able to, in the temple area, put the wig in front of my own hairline. Everyone's hairline is different, so you may not have that problem. In order to get this to lay even more flat, extra options that you have, take any sort of hot tool. So by squeezing the sides of these together, I'm able to run it along the portion of the hair right here. Follow it with your hand to smooth that down. I try to show you all ways that you all can do at home. I know a lot of people don't have the little crescent combs that you plug into the wall, or you can do this with a wand curl or whatever you have. If you don't want to do that at all and you just plan on putting your wig on, and take a little scarf, and this will help to flatten it down even more. We're back. It's been literally 5 minutes. I spent 5 minutes cleaning off my desk. I'm getting pretty good. I'm getting pretty quick. Let it be known also, guys, that I only flat iron the front pieces of this hair. Like, everything else is just straight out of the box. Like, HAIRVIVI, thank you. So let's go ahead now and see if what HAIRVIVI said actually is factual, like Fendi fact. Okay, so they said that it required no customization. I'm a little extra, so I did do a little bit, but if we're talking about really customizing, I'll give them the okay, we approve it on that one. All of Destiny approves, okay? No wig cap underneath, I approve. Again, I did just put a little bit in the part, but you all saw without me doing that, it looks good. I'm just a little extra. No wig cap underneath, all of Destiny approves. Cut the lace, no extra work needed, approved. Glue is not necessary, as you all can see, approved. Multi-directional parting can be achieved. I can part this in the middle. Clearly, the hair, since I did flat iron it to go that way, that's the way that it's going to behave. So it doesn't mean that if I part this, it's supposed to just stay over there. I would have to manipulate it, but what they mean is the parting space that is available. So I can part it in the middle. We can do a side part, as you all see that I do have. I can part it on this side. You just have to manipulate the hair to send it the other way. See how far over we can go. Okay, I think it stops right there. I think these are tracks. Let's see. Hair's on my face, so I can't see anything. Okay, so yeah, you just have a little bit brow to brow. I'm gonna say about here to here, we can part this. So we'll give them the okay on that one. Oh, I absolutely love this hair. This was quick to put on. Like, I'll make sure, as far as my editing goes, that I do like minimal editing. I want this zipped or unzipped. I was trying to be like cute when I came back to the camera. Something. Keep this down, but it'll keep your ear tab down, and then you can push it back. Testing out a few of the things that HAIRVIVI did mention here on this little list, I definitely say that this wig is really beginner friendly. Thought it would be fun reading this just in the moment to see if they're printing this off, sending it to you guys, then y'all probably assuming you can actually do this. So I was like, let me see what I can actually exclude and still make this look good. So let me know what you all think down below. Normally I say follow me on Instagram and you'll see how I may switch up the hairstyle and do something different. Maybe move the part, curl it a little bit, or like flatter and kind of feather the entire thing. But like I mentioned in the beginning, I will be giving this wig away to one of you guys for the month of December. Should I say that? Do I want to say that? Wig reviews, y'all, sometimes subscribers kind of be like, how many times can a YouTuber do a wig review? But for the month of December and Vlogmas, I want to give back to you guys. So what I've decided as far as planning out my content on Wednesdays, from lovely Brianna, I've seen her do this on her channel. She does the Who Wants It Wednesdays. So I DM'd her and I asked her like, hey, like I see when you do this, is it okay for me to kind of use that same type of title for my same way of giving back to you guys? So I'll also be doing a Who Wants It Wednesdays for the month of December. So on Wednesdays, you can expect wig reviews on my channel. And then on Thursdays, I've decided, since I do have older content that I haven't really put out, but it's still good content, I'll be doing a throwback Thursday for that content. So the first one, I think, so that we're caught up and that it doesn't get too old, it'll be Thanksgiving. Getting back to the hair though, what the rules are. So you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Bonus entries, you can go and subscribe to my sister Dominique's YouTube channel as well as my sister Boone. I will be checking all of these things, so when I message you and say that you won, you'll have to like prove, show me all of the stuff that I'm saying. I'll need screenshots showing that you're subscribed from your channel. Don't text your friend and say, girl, send me that screenshot. It's got to be you, sis. Follow me on Instagram and take a portion of this video. It doesn't have to be the portion of me saying this. Whatever you may have found funny, or I don't know, just a boomerang or whatever you want to share on your social media, share this video. It can be like sharing it to your story, you can tweet about it, you can put it on your Facebook, however you want to do it. And then also in your comment, just in case you're watching this video but you don't necessarily want to enter the giveaway, be sure to include, I want to say enter me. Yeah, enter me. I will be doing more of these, so if this isn't a wig that you would prefer, if you want to kind of hold off and wait, you can still comment down below. But I'll be doing this again, so if you know, don't want a shorter wig, even though, girl, this is giving me, this hairstyle with this jacket is giving me when my friends say she finna pull up because we about to go and pull up on old boy and I'm down to ride. But this jacket with this hair is giving me like I'm that friend that will ride with my friend to go and pull down. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because I don't know what Ratchet Destiny talking about. Listen, since there can only be one winner, but if you are interested in this hair, I'll have all of the details as well as a link in my description box down below. I'm pretty sure I have a coupon code with HAIRVIVI as well. It's not on this paper, but they usually give me one. So check in the description box for everything. That way you all can save some money on this hair. If you're interested and you would like to purchase her, good luck to all of you entering the giveaway. Hope you all enjoyed this one, and I will see you all in tomorrow's upload. If you missed any of the details about this hair or the giveaway, everything is linked in my description box down below, and the giveaway rules are there as well. I'm super excited to be giving back to you guys. Y'all support me so much, especially my wig reviews. It's a must that I give back to you guys. I'm super thankful that I'm able to work with companies that reach out to me to do sponsored content. I do get lots of questions like, hey, what do you even do with the wigs after you're done reviewing them? So after I'm done reviewing these wigs this month, I will be giving them away to you guys. Stay tuned for more. Keep watching because you don't know when I'll announce the winner.